Once you learn how to teach Gracie Jiu-Jitsu, you can teach anything.
This family hired a new nanny.
Walk the baby, Choki. Walk the baby. Walk the baby. Walk the baby. Walk the baby. Walk the baby.
This girl is teaching her cats how to do yoga.
Think about coming down, letting the straight legs for a bit more challenge. Just thinking about size of the
And what do I find? I mean, this should be an advertisement for IKEA.
This dog made a bed out of an IKEA bag.
Are you sleeping in there, Bosco? What are you doing? You go upstairs for 20 minutes and come back and this guy thinks it's a bed. Oh my God. Cute. Oh, there we go, big stretch. Oh.
Who needs window cleaner when you have a baby? These two Dalmatians meet kittens for the first time. This cat shows this dog who's boss.